have to show so much personal stuff. I didn't do this last time because I wasn't home, but I just want to record inside my house. So you guys can hear like the sounds of what it sounds like, not just outside, but like what it sounds like in my house, because the sounds coming from my house are crazy right now. Should I say my parents' house? But yeah, you hear that banging and those sounds. These are the sounds I've constantly heard this sound for an hour now. Look at that, that's a thing. So yeah, these are the sounds I constantly hear. So yeah, I just wanted to record to give you like an insight of what it sounds like inside my house, because power's out. It's bad outside, obviously, because you're experiencing the brunt of it, but like inside, the sounds are just as bad.